Iris, what you looking at? Can you say hello? Say hi. You see the window? What is it? Huh? What is it? I'm very awake. Hi. Say hi. Okay, we just finished eating. And we got messy. So we're just hanging out in our diaper. Oh, yeah. Say hey to everybody. Oh, what is it? What do you see? Huh? Hey, well, this is what we're doing right now. Just hanging out. Say we'll see you later. Say bye. Say bye.